Want to snag those Saramart deals without breaking the bank all at once? Let me show you how to use Clearpay to pay for your Saramart haul in easy installments. First, browse Saramart and add all your favorite items to your shopping cart, just like you normally would. Once you're happy with your selections, head over to your shopping cart by tapping the cart icon. Now proceed to checkout, fill in your shipping address and other required information. In the payment method section, scroll until you see Clearpay and select it as your preferred payment option. If you already have a Clearpay account, simply log in. If not, don't worry, you can easily create an account in just a few minutes. Just follow the prompts to enter your details. Clearpay will show you your payment schedule, confirm the details, and make sure you understand when your installments are due. Finally, confirm your order, and you're all set. Saramart will process your order, and Clearpay will handle your installment payments. Happy shopping! Remember to use #Clearpay and #Saramart when you share your latest finds.